Welcome everyone, Cliff from Advanced Diagnostics. We are going to talk about the third generation Chrysler push-to-start system known as the PEM. PEM is just short for passive entry system, and it was sold under the name Keyless Enter and Go. And you'll see them listed in the key application guide. The third generation is unlike the fourth generation in the sense that you have to remove the push to start button on the dash in order to reveal the true fobic ignition underneath. Here's an example vehicle, 2011 to 2016 Town & Country, has that optional feature of keyless go. Now, in order to program it, you would remove the button, put your fobic key into the ignition, program in however many you have. Let's say you're going to add 2 more into the system. And then the last step is a procedure on the AD programmer called Match Keyless Go. For the specific details, definitely look this up because you want to know exactly how to do it. It's not a hard procedure. But at the end of that procedure, let's say, for example, you put your push to start button back into the dash and you try to start it, and it does not start outside of the fobic ignition, then that most likely means that you may have the wrong fobic key, because they do come equipped 2 different ways. And a lot of locksmiths, unfortunately, are blindly accepting fobic keys from customers that are purchasing them on the internet. Or you may be going to a key supplier and ordering the wrong one. And actually, from a stocking standpoint, it's better to just order the fobic key that has both features automatically configured to it. Now, I'm going to show you an easy way you can tell whether you have the right one, and that's physical observation. In other words, open your fobic key up and look at the boards. The one on the left that you see right here is not keyless go equipped. So if it looks like this, this will be the reason why it has failed on the keyless go procedure. The board on the right has a very distinct white sticker on it with a coil underneath. This is the proper keyless go fobic key. So make sure that you look at it. If it doesn't program in and you have exhausted the other probable causes of a failure, don't hesitate to open up that fobic key and take a look to make sure that your board is configured properly. And that's my message today. I hope you found it helpful, and I thank you for watching. I'll see you again.